need a pot. I need a pot. My head is strong. My head is so strong. My head is strong.
My head is.
You want to see how strong my head is?
I'm going to show you guys today how strong my head is.
Strong my head is. We need a pot. Well, my head is strong.
I am going to take this pot.
I'm going to take this lid. You see this pot? This pot is weighs 50 pounds. It's a big heavy pot. Look at the side of the lizard. All around the pot. All top of the pot. Look inside the pot. Look inside the lizard. All around the lizard. I'm gonna get this pot and you drop it right here.
You guys will know that
How strong my head. I'm gonna show you how strong my head is. Strong, snow head.
I'm gonna
drop it on my head.
Watch how
strong my head is.
You guys ready?
Are you guys ready?
Ready? I'm gonna drop this
lizard on my head.
On my head.
Right on my head here. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, here we go. Why do birds suddenly appear every time I turn on the world?